Hi there, sixth graders. It's Mr. Kerr here, and we are looking at week 6, Inca Water, Religion, and Laws this week. So thanks everyone for getting all of your stuff in last week so that we could get that 6-week grade update. Again, as always, on this Monday morning, you should be checking through your grades, go through your grade book, check your messages up here, check your email, all of that good stuff. You need to be checking all of that on a daily, at least every other day or daily basis. One of the things this week that's going to be important, we do have, you'll see as we look, we have a bunch of kind of small assignments this week. And what we're really designed to do is this is a very important week, this first week of October. It's called October Count. And this is how we actually count how many students are in our school, is by the students who are doing work, and especially this week. We do it all the time, but this is a very important week where the state of Colorado comes in and looks at all of our records and stuff. So it's very important. I want you to, there are multiple assignments this week, and I'd like you to try and get a different assignment turned in each week. Monday, we have this beginning of civilization survey questions for you to accomplish. Friday, we have an exit ticket, and there are several discussion boards in between as well. So when we open up this week, we're still in Unit 1, of course, and Week 7, Inca Water, Religion, and Laws. And as we look through this, we're going to go through the suggested schedule. Here's Beginnings of Ancient Civilization survey questions. Please accomplish that on Monday. You open it up. You'll see it's a quiz format. And go ahead and open that up and complete it on Monday. Hopefully everyone can get it completed on Monday. Then we'll go through lesson 1. You'll see that there are a couple of three discussion boards there dealing with Inca water. And then lesson 2 also, again, we have at least 1, maybe 2 discussion boards, and then exit ticket, which you should do on Friday. So hopefully we can do that where we get a different assignment turned in each day of the week. Just reminders again in the Start Here folder. I know we have at least one new student this week. First 4 assignments right here, course and instructor info right here, including the syllabus and how to contact me. Tips, tricks, and student resource, all of that in the Start Here folder. So that's always where you go when you have a question. First, lots of stuff going on this week. And what else do I want to talk about? Next week, which will be Thursday, October 11th, we will have parent-teacher conferences at Glennon Heights. And also, hey, I just want to say, go Rocks! Go Buffs. We have Rocktober going on this week with the Rockies, and my CU Buffaloes are undefeated and in the top 25. So lots of exciting stuff going on in class, in school, and also in sports here in Colorado. So hey, have a great week. Get everything done. If you have any questions, please let me know. Reach out to me as soon as possible. Don't wait till the weekend or anything silly like that. So great. See you soon. Thanks. Bye.